All right, let's go there. All right, guys, welcome to this morning live session. Uh, Today is Thursday, the fourth day of this week. Right. So, the market has been very slow Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I think yesterday, after we saw some movement yesterday, and then the FOMC, though, did not carry data. So today, going forward, on the fundamental side, we shall be by 2:30 p.m. We'll be looking at news coming out from USD, from the United States of America. So now this was the statement the of Powell yesterday. Since the last FOMC meeting, October 29th, gold is the best performance asset along with the dollar, as bond stocks and oil are all down natively. Rate cut odds for the December meeting continue to tumble after Powell's hawkish comment and the follow-up Fed speak. So I think the statement of Powell yesterday was hawkish, and we saw that really have implications on the dollar, strengthening the dollar, and dollar was, oh my God. So we'll have a bullish run on the dollar yesterday, guys. So, I'll be saying that uh, now we have come to take our liquidity again at this top, but the dollar is bullish. That's what I can say. The dollar is bullish. Now all our consolidation phase is over. So I would love to see the dollar going up more. Then they will continue on the bullish direction on the dollar. So dollar is very bullish and will remain what? Bullish on the dollar. But prior to the news that is coming by 2:30 today, we have non-farm employment change, employment rates, right? So we also have employment claims. So this news is a powerful, this is, you all know, NFP. So we have to be careful. For us, I would suggest we stay off the market till 2:30 on the news is out. Just as what? An advice, because that news is going to change a lot of direction. But going forward, Euro USD, it finally did the movement that was expected to do. So I'll be waiting for that movement. No, I have two objections on Euro. It's whether it go up or it break this low. So now we can now clearly see that we have what? We are we are bearish totally on Euro, as this place become what? A flip demand, a supply zone. So we'll be looking at price return back to this place. Then we can look for what? Opportunity to short Euro USD.
Hello.
So I love what Euro is doing. I love what Euro is doing. Yes, all the movement. I was looking at two directions for Euro. We're looking at two directions for Euro. And in any of the direction that Euro take, that would be where we'll face. So the first direction was looking at it coming to this zone was the first direction. But what happened and they respect this place. And although now this place is still in view, right? Because they've not take out this low, right? So I'm not overriding this place, right? Even when I'm going to sell here, I'm going to say with caution because price market can be so funny. You just see price doing something of this, then before this. So price can be so funny. So just we have to be fine. We are this low that break this low that break this high. So now supply is now in control. We call it supply or we call it mitigation block around here. So here become a zone for us, a zone to watch. So when price return back here, we need to see selling rejection. Then we can comfortably be short to this place. So there's no need of trade. We want to pursue price. No, wait for the pullback as here become a strong resistance. So we can look for a short around there, stop loss come around there or here. So we have seen the movement, the momentum has now the momentum is in place now. But all we need is we need that right setup for euro. So pullback, let's go to 1 hour. So I believe so on 1 hour I can see that. So you can use this place as the liquidity on the road. So something of this nature, then we can look for maybe a sell as price come to this zone. So I'll be paying attention on that zone as price getting there. So that is our POI to watch. So that's Euro USD. Don't need to waste time on them. Then GBP USD, like I've said, that because of this zone that GBP USD is selling from, I'm not interested on GBP USD for now. I'm not expecting the selling. So we have a drawn liquidity here. So if this is going to continue, then I would love to see a breakout, right? A breakout. Here will now become another breakout structure. So with this, here become a supply zone that we can now look for a sell. But selling from where it is now, I am not interested because the trading range did not meet my expectation. So when you look at it, so this is our swing high, our swing low. Price only reacting from a small portion of it. So I would love, let's see what the NFP today will do. Let's see what it will do. Let's see what it will do. So after the news, we know the decision we take. If the news go against dollar, you will see this guy flying back up here. I tell you. You see, if the news go against dollar, you see this guy fly up in that manner. And if the news favor dollar, you see this guy sell more, break this low. Then once this low is broken, here will become a supply zone that in the nearest future that we love to sell from. So for now, we are just waiting for the outcome of the news by 2:30. Gold, likewise gold, my bullish bias is still intact on gold. My bullish bias is still intact on gold. I think it was a nice movement yesterday. We called for a buy yesterday morning during the session, and that gave us a lot of money. So we are still what? We are still intact. We are still intact on what? On gold. We are still intact. So I can see that even today now. So New York time, maybe we'll get a buy on New York time. Because what I can see now that gold is like forming the low of the day. Gold is forming the low of the day, right? So what we need this zone, we need this eye to be taken. This 15 minutes, right? So let's go to 1 hour. All right, so let's like this place, you can see all this place now. Price has been rejecting there. So all we want to see now, if you see 1 hour candle close with just something like this, something of this nature. So we want to see an hour candle close bullish above that. So please, you can mark it on your chart also. So we want to see, all I can see now is that price has given us a low today, but I'm still much concerned for this equal low they have created here. They have created an equal low here. So it's a little bit concerned for me. So they have created an equal low there. And that equal low, you know what that means. That equal low can be a dangerous liquidity zone for price. So two things, is whether they come, they hunt, is whether they come, take out the equal low before they move price, right? Or we wait for a clear directions, a bullish close above that high. So for me, I would love us to, yes, now we are currently trading below the weekly open and daily. So I would love us to trade back bullish above the weekly. Today's already Thursday. If by today, Tuesday, we are trading still below weekly open, then today, tomorrow, then gold may like more have more sell, because once we are trading below the weekly low, today's already Thursday, that can show that maybe tomorrow we may continue on the sell on gold. But even as that, I don't want to sell it. I'll just be waiting for a bullish evidence on gold. So by the release of news, we'll see the direction which gold will go. If the news against dollar gold will be bullish, then you can buy anything from 3 p.m., 3 to 10 p.m. Just know that you are buying gold. Once that news come and it's against the dollar, right? The chart is seizing. All right, sorry for that. Network kicked me out. Let's come back. So that is good. So we just be waiting for a proper confirmation of goods. Currently, this morning, gold is pushing down, even on 4 hours. It's pushing down. For me, I still see gold that all this place is a drawn liquidity for gold. So we just need a clear bullish. Do you know what bounced this place back? This fair value gap. This fair value gap that bounced this that is fair value gap that pushed price down yesterday. For you to know how powerful fair value gap. Now, there's what we call inverse fair value gap. When we have inverse value gap, we need like a bullish candle. Uh, sorry. So we need something like a bullish candle, another to create a long bullish candle like this momentum to cover this fair value gap. Once it cover it, this will now become an inverse value gap, which will stand as a support. The price will push up. So all we need now for the bullish side, for the bull side of gold, we need a bullish momentum. The price is just ranging a weak low. So this is not time to sell gold. This is not time to buy gold. I tell you, price has come back to all this ranging weakness. Let's have a momentum on our side. Then we can now engage on gold. So for now, as for gold, for me, I'm just stay back some. NZUSD, network is messing up my chart this morning. Please let's be patient. always happening to network. So SZUSD, this also has done what? It missed me. Though that was a nice move. It did not come to my. So this was I was talking about yesterday. That sometimes market will not come to your zone. But I am still not rule out the whole thing, right? So maybe this is kind of inducement they try to create. The news will determine. I am not ruling out a sell whenever price come to premium on this leg. So all that I will consider now, instead of using this place, I will consider everything as one leg, right? I will consider everything as one leg. So in the nearest future, we may have price come break this high then before this movement. So we just fold our hands and look at the development of price. But in a nutshell, we can look at this place also as a kind of break of structure. So we must respect this place, also a break of structure zone. Now, price is sitting on yearly opening and bouncing. So if we consider this place as what? As a structural break, then we'll be looking at this zone as our supply zone. So we'll be looking at that zone as a supply zone, which means if price come to this zone, selling from that zone will not be a bad idea once we have a confirmation. So once we have a confirmation, but whatever that may price break this high, then we have to be careful. That can become a change of character for us because this is a valid break of structure. So we respect this as a valid break of structure, right? So we respect that as a break of structure. Now here become our swing high that we are working with. Here we come. So as price come this zone, we look for opportunity to buy, to sell, I mean. And if we have price break, here we can look for a short buy back to this 3-month open. Then maybe another sell from this region. So let's watch what price we do. For now, there's no trade. There's nothing we can do. But I love the market. It's a trading market. Just that here did not come up to give us opportunity to short this leg. AUD, this one is still what? It's still selling. Yes, see the draw on liquidity. So for now, there's nothing much here. Let's just leave AUD USD. For me, I'm not seeing anything there. USD card, my friend. So USD card. This guy, we're looking for a bullish on this guy. Just that price did not come to my zone, but that doesn't mean that price is not bullish, right? Not every time price will come to your zone. I was looking to price to come to this demand zone around here. But what I have a pending order here, but it means so what's way forward? I can see that what they do was just to tap liquidity, strip liquidity around this zone and move up. So what I want to wait for now, you can see this high. So I don't need a close above that high. Then we can land forward, continue to buy USD card. So you can see price is strongly on that place. So we need a closure above that high. This is the high that came down, swap liquidity. So once price close above that high, then a pullback, we can look for a buy. The stop loss can come below here. So that will give us that this guy is ready to buy, a valid buy. So for now, price can still drop down. So don't be hurried to buy in the name of fear of missing out, right? and news ahead of us. So be careful. This guy move, nice move on USD share. If is anyone took this trade, congratulations to the person. To the person that took this trade. The funniest is that all this trade, my software call all of them, and I got everything work out perfectly on the course. So we have this guy pushing up. This is a nice one. Then we'll be looking at this high as I draw liquidity. Let's see. The news will really determine our next of action after the news. But for this guy now, this is where the buy. People that so if you not buy here, don't just go and buy you. It's too high for you to buy. So let's wait. This price can still come down. If you give us a sell, we can still sell it down. So there's not much on all the USD pair. We are just waiting. USD JPY fill up, mitigate the yearly open now we have seen. So the news will determine the next movement. But all these guys is bullish. Whether the news or not the news, the only thing is that the price will come down. We'll continue looking for what? A buy opportunity on this. So all the USD pairs, including gold, all of them is tied to the result of the news that will be released by 2:30. So we just fold our hand and wait. Since I'm not in any position now, just wait on all this news. Right, so let's quickly look at other currencies. NASDAQ. NASDAQ. So NASDAQ may continue the bullish, may resume its bullish back again. Right? Since number one, we have this bullish candle engulf the previous one, and price trading above 3-month open. So if I get a pullback on NASDAQ, a pullback, then I'll be happy to buy NASDAQ. If I get a pullback, I will be very, very happy to go long on NASDAQ again. Right, so that is for NASDAQ. We may be heading back on NASDAQ. We're heading back. GA, this resistance zone is holding price and pushing price down. So for this now, like I said yesterday, that if you want to sell that, you can have it. If you are interested in selling this guy, that you can sell, your stop loss will come above here. And you can see now that prices, so you can still sell this thing if you want to sell. If you are interested to sell GA, you can sell. Your stop loss will just come above that high, right? Your stop loss will just come above that high. Then you just target a lower, a 2-to-1. So this is good. Its price is trading at below 3-month open, below yearly open. So sell is good on this guy. If you are looking at GA, you can sell. Your stop loss come above that high. So that is GA. This one for now, leave G-Chef. So this one, we're looking for a sell on GPP Chef also. So here I just need a more push up. Let price reject this monthly open. Once price reject this monthly open, guys, I will be selling this guy. So this guy is good for a sell. Okay, we can do a sell limit on this guy. That USD Chef, maybe above that place. Stop loss here, take profit. Then put your stop loss above this high. That will give you about I love to give me 3 hours. Okay. So GBP Chef, this guy is good for a sell, guys. We can have a sell limit in this format. We can have a sell limit here. So GBP Chef is good for a sell. if price come back to this high, so right, so we can try it, look for a sell around that place or everything align. We have a break of structure here. So we have this fair value. So that place is good. Price is 1.0, sell limit 0. Please let me quickly type this thing. Send. Oh, why did I delete it? Just give me a moment. Let me reconfigure it again. Right. Stop loss above that high. Whatever that made price good above that high is not good for us again. Right. So we can look at 3-arrow trade. GPP chef. GPP chef. Sell limit. PP. PP is 1.05609. SL. SL is 1.06286. How many pips? About how many? So 67 pips. So 67 pips stop loss. Then our TP is what? 1.03587. What's our reward ratio? Our reward ratio is what? 3R. So we're going to screenshot it. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, please, I'm coming. Just give me a moment. GPP chef. Today is 20th November 25. Okay, so that GPP share for us.
Hello, Mr. Val. We can't hear you, neither do we see your chat. Maybe it's network.
Come on, the network is terrible. So I think we just don't know. So for GA, let me quickly round up. So I said you can sell from GA and just give you your stop loss will come above. I'm seeing this guy rolling down. So that's for the GA. So another one, I think someone said BTC. BTC is bearish. I've told you it's bearish. So it has come back. If you are interested in BTC, you should be looking for opportunity to sell BTC, not buy. AUD cards, this guy here is in a push up. This guy in a push up. So don't leave all this one for now. This one even are pushing up. Maybe when you come back to these 3 months, it can be set. So for now, let's just wait after the news. There's no much in the market for now. The market has moved. So I believe the NFP will reset the market, and then we can now begin to have a good trade after the news. Euro AUD. Okay. This one, I'm looking for a buy on this one, but let the news come and go. Since we are bouncing for this guy, let the news come and go, and uh, let it come and go. We need this 4 hour candle to close bullish. Then we can look for buy. Stop loss will come below here. Then target a higher high. G card. This one is going. So let's do the sell limit on this guy and wait for uh the next action. So thank you guys. Uh please don't hurry to trade. Let the news come and go. That's my advice. I'll see you tomorrow, or we'll talk at the community after the news. Thank you.